I don't know how well the camera setup is working here. I've never filmed this way in this car, but I'll just show it on the phone. Eruption has started in FAGRADALSFJALL, so I can see it in the sky, and I have no idea. I didn't get any info from anyone quickly where to go see it, so I'm just gonna drive towards the red sky, and if nothing else, then maybe I'll catch a glimpse of the sky a bit closer where it's red at. So yeah, I'll get driving. It seems that there is something going on, because every car in town seems to be moving somewhere, and I can see a lot of red lights going the same direction, so it's kind of promising that the locals are going that way, because well, that's a bad assumption, but I just assume they know a bit better than I do. But let's see. From my home it looked to be towards Thorlakshovn, so I'll just drive. They've already closed the road, so they won't let people close, but whatever. I mean, the volcano is not running anywhere. Let's see how far we can go. There's already blue lights there. Oh yeah, there's just some sort of emergency vehicle in the middle of the road, I suppose. Won't let anyone drive any closer. So everybody's in a frenzy. Yeah, it's just parked in the middle of the road. So yeah, let's just see where the locals are going. Look at this amount of cars. I mean, not even on a work day there's this much cars driving up and down. I mean, more cars are coming towards here, it seems, but as you saw, that's the only other main road that there really is, and they had closed it down. So this is like the main highway out of town towards Keflavik. So I'm gonna go and see where I can go. There's somebody trying to see it from the top of Thorbjörn, but I think it's a bit too far away, because there's some bumps in the way. I can put in a picture how it looks during the daytime. So I think we gotta drive a bit to see something, because there's people also going there. Some shit in the sky. You gotta watch out here. There's people. Everybody's trying to, I suppose, get a glimpse of it in the easiest way possible. I don't know what this dickhead is doing, just braking in the middle of the road. But I think we're gonna go towards Reykjavik, because as far as I remember, everything to the right there is pretty plain flat, so it should be visible if it is from anywhere, because obviously they won't let us go close. But yeah, I should shut up and drive now. Also, just look at the cars here. This road is never ever this busy. This town has like 3,000 inhabitants. 3,000 inhabitants. So this road is never ever this busy. And there's the Svartsengi power plant, by the way, and the Blue Lagoon is behind there. But yeah, I gotta follow the road, because the more people, the more dangerous it is. I mean, this is crazy. Just the amount of cars going towards Grindavik is just insane. But they won't get anywhere from there, and there's, I mean, if they don't have any sort of secret way, or they don't plan to walk there through the darkness, then yeah, you won't see anything from Grindavik. Sorry, people. guess so much so for adventurizing, because there's like a truck there with blue lights, it seems. So it's almost visible on the phone screen, but yeah, I don't think there's any going close from anywhere really. I'm gonna turn in from here, but I don't think that will result in anything exciting. Because I will assume that's not their first rodeo, so they're kind of prepared for people going mad. Yeah, there you go. Well, I promised you there's a red hue in the sky. The volcano started erupting, but I mean, no way to get close, and there's nothing on the screen whatsoever. Yeah, I can't like make it pop out in any way, so you just have to take my word for it. That kind of light speck is actually the sky being really red and the volcano erupting. Well, there was an ounce of excitement for a moment there. But that was it, because you know, the Icelandic emergency services are all obviously more prepared than I am. So I mean, the only viable road closer was blocked. It's kind of this small road, and you know, obviously all the main roads are blocked anyway, so at least I got a good picture, because with the night mode, like the software of the phone alters the lighting so that the hue is extra visible, so at least I have that. But you know, that's just a little consolation prize, I suppose. So I'm just gonna ride home. Maybe I will go on top of Thorbjörn, because you know, why not? But yeah, nothing exciting, nothing noteworthy to report as far as the footage goes. I'm gonna go try to summit Thorbjörn, or at least go up there. Maybe it's a bit better visibility from there. I mean, it won't get much better anyway, so why not? I mean, I've already spent my time on it, so let's give it this last little go. And I've never seen a car drive up from here, but that dude just assumed that, you know, fuck it, I will drive up. There's a lot of cars going back and forth. Sorry for my heavy breathing. I just climbed like 120 meters from the sea level. It should be around 150 to 170 meters. But yeah, I mean, not much more visible on the video here than it was from the highway 41 I was before. But as you can see, a lot of people are interested in this phenomena. So I'll just climb up a bit more and just make some pics and go back. And
Jonas, what do you think about this eruption?
Well, it's a spectacle. I guess it's not much to see from here, but you get some nice photos on the phone.
Yes. You come from Estonia. Have you? I mean, does this come to you as a surprise? All these earthquakes and now an eruption?
No, I mean, I still remember 2011. So as far as like the earthquakes go, it was a bit unusual in the beginning, but you get used to it over time.
Yes. You know, when you are here with, there have been a lot of people here walking and trying to see something. Do you know anyone that has been trying to get closer?
No, no, no. I mean, I guess from the people I know, I'm the most, how to say, most keen, because I took a moment to walk up here, but I don't know anyone who would even have said that they would come up here to see it.
Has it been, has it been scary to experience all these earthquakes the last weeks?
Yeah, it's definitely, at the beginning it was unusual, in your mind there's like these catastrophe movies that, everything starts shaking and falls over, but I mean, these are really short ones here, like 2 or 3 seconds max, so like over time, I mean, I don't even pay attention anymore.
Yeah. There are a lot of people from other countries that live here in the towns in Reykjanesskagi. Do you think that people are getting all the information that they need about the earthquakes?
Well, as soon as there started being this more concentrated amount of earthquakes in the short period, then I just went to Icelandic Meteorologic Office homepage and I've been following from there. So I mean, it's 2021 internet, it's everything is available for you.
Okay. Enjoy your scenery here and stay safe. Thank you for chatting with us.
Yeah, thank you. I'm not from Iceland, so it's like my first experience with earthquakes, and it's like a little bit of shaking. I don't know, strong or not.
So how is your experience regarding the earthquakes? Are you worried?
What's the politically correct answer? I mean, it would be cool if there's a volcano eruption somewhere for me, because I don't live here. It would be a fun experience, I suppose, as long as the town stays here still after that.